Good morning. It is Friday, April 11th. I'm Zach Howard, and this has been quite the week in markets. Let's finish it off here strong. And what are we looking at here to start? The U.S. 10-year versus the U.S. 2-year yield curve. We have a bear steepening, and up until a couple of minutes ago, it was 64 basis points wide, and that difference in the U.S. 10-year yield and U.S. 2-year yield. Big moves happening. This yield curve was inverted just about a month ago. Back here, you can see this. So people getting out of that 10-year, still market pricing potential cuts ahead. Maybe in May Fed meeting. From a macro data standpoint, in the U.S., we had U.S. PPI, which is a forward-leaning indicator for future CPI, purchasing prices, etc. And you look at it through the lens of oil, similar said, a big decline really changed month over month of negative 0.4 versus a forecast of positive 0.01, a big reduction from the previous month of a positive 0.2 down to 0.4. So further disinflationary evidence building. JP Morgan out, earnings season kicks off in the US with the biggest bank in the world, and it has increased its provision for credit losses in Q1, $3.31 billion versus a previous forecast of $2.7 billion. So that bank is taking up its book that they're going to be having bad loans going forward here in 2025 as it continues to slow. China, US, the retaliations continue to build. Interesting note, yesterday I learned from one of my interviews I caught, Amazon sellers, 71% source their product from China. Going to be tough to pass that on to consumers. Amazon might be a decent short here on the board, and I see lower lows, lower highs across those Bag 7 names. Standouts in my notebook. Look at the moves here in the euro, Great Britain pound, and that U.S. dollar, Japanese yen, the safety trade historically, and it's gathering strength here. Stronger yen, stronger euro. What does that mean? We got a DXY, the weakest it's been here in over quite some time. The 16th largest move lower in the 2 days on that DXY down to 99. Watt loves all this. Beautiful gold. It's having quite the day and quite the month and quite the week. It's the best performer on the board. Continues to be out there. Oil lower lows. High yield continues to be a major warning flag, and I like that one on the short side. Careful out there. It's going to get interesting from here. Have a great day. We will see you Monday.